Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you that can you use Google DeepMind Gemini 3 right now. If you want to use Google DeepMind Gemini 3, so let's see that can you do this or not. So you must have to open up your browser, and here you have to simply search for Gemini 3 Google. Once you have searched, you will get the Google DeepMind Gemini 3 and you for entire for world models. You must have to open the first website from here, and here you can learn everything about Google Genie 3. So now let's see that if you can use this or not. So the answer is no, you cannot use this now because it is just unlimited research. But you can only see that what Google Genie 3 can do in this website. You cannot only use this because this is not officially shared with the public. So when it will in reach of public, you can easily use that. So that was your answer. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.